So most of these thoughts, even though they are repetitive, but as human beings, by default, we are negative. We are thinking all negative things. সকাল থেকে সন্ধ্যা পর্যন্ত সারাদিন negative things, right? So that blocks us again from unleashing our potential, from looking into the possibilities, by looking into the good things of people, the good of every situation. It does not let us, it does not allow us. So I'm showing you statistical data, guys, so that you understand that I have the potential inside of me, but I cannot be a negative thinker and looking into negativity and talking about negativity all the time and expect something positive to happen in my life. It's like supply chain. এই সাইড দিয়ে ওই দুধ ময়দা দিলে ওই সাইডে বিস্কিটই বের হবে, গরু মার্কা ঢেউটিন বের হবে না। হ্যাঁ, so input equals to output, so that's what it is. So I would request all of us to have a prosperous, beautiful future, a beautiful Bangladesh, that we need to transform our negative thinking and negative emotions into positive as much as we can. বারবার কিন্তু আমাকে ঠেলে নেগেটিভিটি নিয়ে যাবে, because my brain by default is negative. But I have to observe that, okay, what can be a learning from here, what can be good from here, what is positive from the situation, and move forward with my life, okay? So with everything together, if we learn how to forgive and forget the wrongs people have done with us, if we to avoid certain things and not pay our attention to everything, if we learn to let go of things and to let it go, you know, I always tell people that if you focus everywhere, you will be mad. So sometimes intentionally you have to avoid, আচ্ছা বলছে বলুক, আচ্ছা করছে করুক, আমি নাই এগুলোতে, and just completely focus on achieving your dreams, completely focus on becoming the master of your craft. মানে আপনি যাই করেন না কেন ওইটাতে যেন আপনি পৃথিবীতে নাম্বার 1 হতে পারেন। অন্তত that should be your sort of goal, you know, that whatever I am, whatever I am doing, I have to be the very best in the world in that particular field. But how can you be the very best in the world if everyone is disturbing you all the time? The traffic jam, the government, the weather, your friends, that stupid boyfriend we were talking about it today, right? And that toxic relationship that you are in, and the family pressure and the family problems and your health issues. So you have to, যদি জীবনে বড় হইতে হয়, you have to learn what to avoid and learn to go and forgive as much as you can, maybe not everything, and forget as much as you can, maybe not everything, and let it go, let it be, accept the world it is, do what you can with what is within your abilities, and not be bothered about other things, because you are not in charge of changing everything, but you can change yourself, and that can create a ripple effect and impact on the lives of others. So that's what we can do.